Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Hope you're having an awesome day and I really appreciate you for always watching my video. Thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. In today's video, we'll be looking at amazing cornrow ponytail hairstyle for African women. Before we dive in, kindly subscribe, like and hit the notification bell for more videos like this. Cornrows with their deep cultural roots and stunning versatility have long been a favorite among African women. Combining the intricate beauty of cornrows with the practicality of a ponytail creates a stylish and functional hairstyle perfect for any occasion. Here, we explore the top amazing cornrow ponytail hairstyle for African women, showcasing how this classic look can be reinvented in various creative and eye-catching ways. The classic high cornrow ponytail is a timeless and elegant choice. This style involves braiding the hair into neat, straight cornrows that all converge into a high ponytail. The high ponytail not only keeps the hair off the neck but also creates a sleek and sophisticated silhouette. To achieve this look, start by parting the hair into small sections and braiding each section close to the scalp. Gather all the braids at the crown of the head and secure them with an elastic band. For added flair, you can wrap a small section of the hair around the base of the ponytail to hide the elastic band. For a modern twist on the classic ponytail, the side-swept cornrow ponytail is an excellent choice. This style features cornrows that are braided diagonally from one side of the head and gathered into a ponytail that rests over one shoulder. The asymmetry look is both stylish and flattering, perfect for highlighting facial features. To create a side-swept cornrow ponytail, start braiding the hair from one side of the head, moving diagonally towards the opposite side. Gather the braids into a ponytail over the shoulder and secure it with an elastic band. You can add accessories such as beads or hair cuffs to enhance the look. A low cornrow ponytail with feed-in braids combines elegance with practicality. This style involves creating cornrows that are fed into a low ponytail at the nape of the neck. Feed-in braids add thickness and length, making the ponytail look fuller and more dramatic. To achieve this style, start by sectioning the hair and braiding small cornrows, incorporating extension as you go to add volume. Once all the cornrows are complete, gather them into a low ponytail and secure with an elastic band. This style is perfect for both casual and formal settings. For a bold and unique look, consider a cornrow ponytail with a zigzag part. This style features a zigzag pattern which adds an interesting visual element to the traditional cornrow ponytail. The zigzag part can be complemented with intricate cornrow designs, creating a hairstyle that stands out. To create this look, part the hair in a zigzag pattern and braid each section into cornrows. So gather the braids into a ponytail and secure with an elastic band. This style allows for a lot of creativity with the cornrow designs, making it a fun and personalized option. So this is all about cornrow ponytail hairstyle. So you can see how it is being described and the different types it can look on your hair and bringing out your texture and your personality. So I allow you to watch this video and choose the style you want. So this is all for now, and please don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos like this. Thank you for watching and bye.